Wanting to make something sweet for game day? Howard shows us how to make a sweet treat that's enough to feed a crowd in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Whether you're going to your neighbor's house to watch the big game this Sunday or you're planning on staying home, we've got a treat that'll make wherever you watch it that much sweeter. It's a slab cookie, which is not only tasty and trendy, it's the ultimate game day winner. To make it, we begin by making a basic graham cracker crumb crust, which we press into the bottom of a rim baking sheet before popping it in the oven. While that's baking, we beat together a couple sticks of butter along with some brown and white sugar. Then we beat in some eggs and vanilla. We add flour and salt. And after it comes together, we slowly stir in some chocolate chips and walnuts. Now we spread this over the crust, sprinkle the top with some chopped candy bars, and back into the oven it goes. Once it cools, we cut it into bars. What's nice about slab cookies is that they're easy to eat and one batch feeds a crowd. To get the recipe for what we call our candy bar slab cookies, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super game day way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen. Just go to our website at koamnewsnow.com.